Guys, I can see it right now, and I'm already in a game of hide and seek extreme. This is what we're going to be playing for a bit today, and I'm on Baymax. I'm in Baymax's, but before you watch this video, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you haven't already, and get on with the video. I'm gonna go out now and see what it is. Oh my gosh. This book's called Infinite Worlds Roblox Season 1 episode. I don't know what that says, but the book looks cool itself though. Yeah, my cousin's beside me. Say hi.
Hi.
Guys, right now I'm on the guitar.
And I'm going to do a YouTube video on my channel.
Yeah, I'm gonna be playing it. I'm gonna be playing Royal High.
We're both gonna do like our morning routines and our night routines. Like
that's on Royal High, by the way. So yeah, we'll just talk about that when we're playing it.
Like me.
I play Royal High, but not that often. Like I'm more into like other games, if you know what I mean. Like
Adopt Me.
Yeah, like the game I'm playing right now, actually. I don't know what my favorite game is in Roblox. I like all the games in Roblox, really.
Say like Royal High.
Kinda.
Basically.
I need to go on the table because oh my gosh, it's right there.
It's kind of like a simulator Royal High.
Simulator.
Yeah. So basically, you have to.
I don't think it is.
You have to get diamonds to earn.
Jeez!
Go to shop. Then.
She's right there.
Oh no!
And I almost died. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm not gonna talk that much anymore because no.
I don't think she knew where I am.
I don't even know where you are, and you're on my head.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
I went up twice and he was still on my hair. That's so funny.
Oh my gosh, I'm so close, guys.
No!
Like if you think I can do
why
it.
Why does it have to be brown though?
I don't know. Like the table. Like if you think I can do it.
Yay!
Thanks for your like.
Yeah.
You did it for us. You did it for us, guys.
Yes.
Another credit. There's 9. I've got 96.
You did so amazing, guys. Thank you for
your support. Actually, your whole support in my YouTube channel.
You can go behind the pillows.
Coin.
Wait, did you just move a pillow?
No, I bounced on them. I got 97 credits. I really want to get to 100 credits. Wait, can you go in the pillow? That would be cool though, if you could. Imagine. I hope you're having all a good time in this quarantine and stuff. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna win, guys.
We hope you're safe.
Yeah, stay home, stay safe.
And make.
Oh, we got 10 credits. Let's see what can we buy.
And people forgot about the coronavirus now.
No.
The hashtag Black Lives Matter.
That's pretty much what people are talking about now. Hashtag Black Lives Matter and stuff.
Like in Adopt Me.
I could buy it.
Like playing Adopt Me, and loads of people are on the chat that saying Black Lives Matter.
I'm gonna buy a penguin. No, I'm gonna see what. Guys, I'm gonna buy a rubber duck. Yep. I bought it.
That's funny.
Equip. Okay.
Oh, not equip.
Back. Guys, I've got the rubber duck. I've never bought anything in this game before.
I don't even know how to get it. Oh, shop. Open.
Where is it? No. Where is it?
I don't know. Just don't worry about that. You can hide in there.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. Wait, I want my rubber duck. I've got loads of time. I want it.
I think you need to do it when you're it.
Oh. Wait, what's this following me? This isn't my rubber... It's following me, but it's not my rubber duck.
Oh, I think it's blurry.
I think it's lagging. It's supposed to be a rubber duck, guys. But I don't know what happened. Whoa! That's bouncy. Oops. Oh! Guys, I don't think you can see me. Wait, what? Am I falling? Oh no, I'm just jumping.
I'm gonna try. Okay, I think I'm allowed to get my phone back. So.
Oh! I'm so close.
I'm sorry, guys. Well, I was just doing a TikTok challenge.
Oh my gosh, I'm in the cans in the vending machine, guys. I bet it won't find me here. There's no way he's gonna find me. Guys, I'm uploading this video to YouTube if you didn't know already. Check out this app that I'm using right now, Screen Recorder, and make sure to download Roblox as well. It's a really cool app where you can play games, add friends, and play with your friends anytime, anywhere, as long as you have a mobile device. So, yeah, download it. Oh, it found me, guys. I didn't think he was gonna find me, but that was a bit awkward. I didn't even know he could get up there. Oh my gosh, guys. What happened? I was just talking about Roblox until it came out of nowhere and found me. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Guys, I've only got 3 subscribers, so if you could hit the subscribe button, that would be really appreciated. And I'll even let you play with me. I've just started as being a YouTuber, and one day I hope to get famous. So, yeah. Let's get back to the video. Well, I don't know what to do because I've been found. Let's have a look at the shop. Miss. Oh, that's just for coins. Buy a bat. I bought a rubber duck. King Julian. Oh, TV, Snowden toy. I'm gonna buy this one. Bye. Purchase successful. Equip. And back. Oh, he's got the key. I just got that one, I think. Guys, I don't know how long this video is going to be, so just stay tuned. Stay to the end, and yeah, I want to get views and stuff as well. I don't know what to do, like, just spectate. Unicorn, Lily Boo. Guys, there is 18, 16, 15 seconds left.
I'm back.
Now. Yeah, she just went downstairs and stuff.
I just went downstairs.
Yeah, I got found.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And guys, that is a good note to end on. So we are gonna end it there. Hope you're having a great day
and hope you
peace out.
Peace out. Bye. Make sure you be safe.